Good morning, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I just wanted to show you another project that we're working on. We recently revealed our April Stained Glass Quilt. This is one of the calendar quilts for 2022 from Robert Kaufman, and you can see that on the wall here. And while we were looking at it, we thought, wow, wouldn't it be great to take this same quilt and do it in primary colors, adding some black and making it look like a stained glass. So what I did is I went to my Kona Cotton Solids and I started and I pulled my primary colors and my secondary colors. So I'm going to use tomato, orange, citrus, clover, ocean, and velvet. Now for the sashing in this project, I went with just Kona Black, which I think will set off those colors very nicely. After I pulled those colors, I went and grabbed my color wheel, and then I kind of decided what was kind of a color in between that would go with my colors. So I pulled my tertiary colors, which means kind of that middle mix of colors, and I pulled chili, goldfish, lime, Caribbean, and nightfall. So if I stack these colors together, you'll see where we're going with in our rainbow of colors. Oops. I think I'm out of order here just a little bit. Let's move that around just a little bit. And you can see what we're going to put together. We're going to try and arrange it. I'm going to use this pattern. We'll come back and show you what our final layout and arrangement is. When we actually get working on this project, we'll see if we need to add any more to it or take away from it. But I think we've got a great palette here for working on this stained glass, again, using our black as our sashing. I hope you'll join us. We'll be doing some videos with tips and tricks, and we'll post those to our YouTube channel. You can also like us on Facebook and Instagram, where we also do some posting. Have a great day.